Hello guys, my name is Jaden Ademu Rebecca Cooks. Today's recipe is Hollandia, strawberries, and some cashew nuts and some ice cubes. First, you put the Hollandia inside the butcher mix, and then put the strawberries, and then put the cashew nuts, and then put the ice cubes, and then you're all done. And then you blend it, be blending it until it's all done. And then you remove it, and then put it inside the bowl, and then you're all done. And then you can drink it.
Wow, that sounds interesting and delicious too. Okay. So since he has run you through the ingredients and the procedure, so we'll just go ahead and continue with the rest of the video. Please, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you do, please like, comment and share. This is a very simple and easy recipe that you can make in the comfort of your home. So today, strawberries, I removed the leaves and then I'm rinsing it with a little bit of salt, and I'll strain and set aside. And these are the ice cubes. I'm just going to remove them from the silicone ice cube containers, ice cube makers. Basically, even though you don't have ice cube makers, if you have blocked pure water, you can smash it and add it and blend. So it should be drinking water that you used for your ice. So to the blender, I added the ice cubes, the strawberries, the cashew nuts, and the milk. If you want yours to be thicker, don't pour the whole of the milk. So it's time to blend. Let it blend until it's very smooth. You can do this with your kids also, because my boy was so happy doing this and he really enjoyed it. So, and it's all done as simple as you can think. So just serve it in your cups and enjoy. This is so refreshing and filling as well. Will you be trying this? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this video. Just comment your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.